Continuing with Section 9 implementation, if my plan doesn't work, the district policy does not work. Plan B, if teachers do not obey the policies put in place by the school board, I will follow the district policy for removal of the teacher if required. All decisions should be made consistently, fairly, equitably, and ethically, and according to district policy. Moving on to Section 10. Standard 6, Operation and Management. Candidates who successfully complete a building level educational leadership program understand and demonstrate the capacity to promote the current and future success and well-being of each student, adult by applying the knowledge, skills, and commitments necessary to improve management, communication, technology, school level governance, and operation systems to develop and improve data-informed and equitable schools, resource plans, and to apply laws, policies, and regulations. Standard 6.3, program completers understand and demonstrate the capacity to reflectively evaluate, communicate about, and implement laws, rights, policies, and regulations to promote student and adult success and well-being. All standard components are underlined throughout my presentation. Thank you for your time.